Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to the daily market analysis. Well, the markets have taken a pause and in today's video हम बात करने वाले हैं निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी की on multiple time frames and discuss करेंगे the intraday outlook for Thursday that's May 30th 2024. But वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले make sure that you smash that like button and do subscribe to my channel. Notification bell को ring करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिएगा so that you never miss an update. चलिए, without any further ado, शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो with the daily time frame of Nifty 50. First of all, just like we've been discussing, हमें Nifty 50 में एक parallel channel देखने को मिल रहा है with the upper and lower boundary of this parallel channel acting up as crucial level of support and resistance for the index. अब हमने weekly market analysis video में discuss किया था that Nifty 50 has almost approached the top of this particular channel, जिसके चलते हमें यहाँ पर एक pause देखने को मिल सकता है. So first of all, we saw that the index gained strong momentum from this channel low towards the channel top, and thereafter हमें Nifty 50 में एक retracement move pan होते हुए देखने को मिल रहा है. So what is the way ahead for the index? Let's find out. Now, as you can see, Nifty 50 is placed somewhere around the levels of 22,700. Now, from the current levels, it's likely to see an extension of this particular pullback towards the levels of 22,575 followed by 22,465. इन लेवल्स को हम निफ्टी के लिए इमीडिएट सपोर्ट्स कंसिडर कर सकते हैं एंड इफ वी डू सी एनी पॉजिटिव एक्शन फ्रॉम दीज पर्टिकुलर लेवल्स देन वी कैन वंस अगेन एक्सपेक्ट दैट हमें वंस अगेन निफ्टी में एक बाउंस यहाँ पर देखने को मिल सकता है. So for now, we'll be eyeing on these two levels in the index for further action. You might as well ask that what if Nifty does not hold on to these levels of support? Well, in that case, हमें यहाँ पर एक deeper retracement देखने को मिल सकती है towards the levels of 22,312 for starters, जिसके चलते Nifty might as well also approach the bottom of this particular channel. But let's save that for later and I'll keep updating you as the setup pans out. चलिए अब बात करते हैं hourly time frame की और साथ ही 15 minutes time frame पर intraday approach को भी discuss करते हैं. On the hourly chart, you can clearly see that from this particular high of about 23,110, हमें Nifty 50 में एक downside momentum open up करते हुए देखने को मिला है. Further, अगर हम आज के trading session की बात करें तो you can see that after a gap down opening in Nifty 50, more or less we witnessed a sideways range in the index. Further, intraday approach को चलिए 15 minutes time frame पर discuss करते हैं, starting with what exactly happened in the index. First of all, after the gap down opening, you can see that Nifty attempted to make a move on the higher side. Thereafter, हमें from this particular gap zone itself, which you can clearly see over here, rejection index में देखने को मिला है, जिसके चलते once again the index registered a low around the levels of 22,700 approximately. And you can see that this particular level in the index is holding up as a level of support. तो हम इसे as a minor support level consider कर सकते हैं, the level of 22,700. From the same level, once again you can see that Nifty attempted to move on the higher side but could not really do so. And यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं that towards the end of the day, we saw a marginal closing just at the support level itself. So over here, what we can do is establish this level of 22,700 as a support. अगर हमें 22,700 के levels का on an immediate basis कोई भी breakdown यहाँ पर देखने को मिलता है, then in that case हम expect कर सकते हैं that Nifty 50 में downward pressure extend कर सकता है, जिसके चलते हमें 22,575 तक के levels का एक test on the downside over the coming trading sessions देखने को मिल सकता है. Further, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं that approximately from the levels of about 22,825 हमें Nifty 50 में rejection यहाँ देखने को मिला है. So this zone on the higher side can be considered as a crucial level of resistance. And only above this particular level of 22,825 हम Nifty 50 में expect कर सकते हैं that हमें एक positive move देखने को मिल सकता है. But do remember that for a positive move to pan out, it's important for the index to hold above the level that we just discussed over here. Also, do let me know in the comments down below that what is your plan for Nifty 50. And now let's quickly discuss the important levels of support and resistance for the index. The support for Nifty is placed at 22,575 followed by 22,465 and the resistance is placed in the zone of 22,825 followed by 22,865. Now over to Bank Nifty's daily time frame. In the weekly market analysis video हमने Bank Nifty में भी डिस्कस किया था that हमें एक parallel channel यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहा है and you can clearly see how beautifully Bank Nifty is also respecting the boundaries of this particular parallel channel. Now over here हमने डिस्कस किया था that 49,250 का जो लेवल रहेगा एक काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस का काम करेगा ऑन द चार्ट ऑफ बैंक निफ्टी एंड यू कैन क्लियरली सी दैट अगर हम मंडे की कैंडलस्टिक की यहाँ पर बात करें सो वी सॉ अ लॉन्ग अपर विक गेटिंग रजिस्टर्ड एट द सेम लेवल एंड ऑल्सो हमें इस लेवल से प्रीवियसली भी बैंक निफ्टी में रिजेक्शन देखने को मिली थी. नाउ ओवर हियर यू कैन क्लियरली सी दैट हमें बैंक निफ्टी में एक डाउनवर्ड साइड का प्रेशर यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रहा है. सो व्हाट कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट ऑन द चार्ट ऑफ बैंक निफ्टी? Let's discuss it. Now looking at the current setup, the immediate support for Bank Nifty is placed at 48,335. So first of all, हमें यहाँ Bank Nifty में एक extension of this downward move देखने को मिल सकता है towards the levels of 48,335. And further, if we do see any support action at this particular level, then हम expect कर सकते हैं that Bank Nifty might as well go into a sideways range of consolidation over here after finding support at the lower levels. But in any case, if Bank Nifty decisively breaks below this support level, which I just discussed, is the level of 48,335, then इसके चलते हमें Bank Nifty में 48,000 के levels का एक test on the downside देखने को मिल सकता है, which would drag the index further down. So we'll get a little more clarity on this particular setup over here once Bank Nifty either holds on to this level or breaks below the same. Well, चलिए hourly and 15 minutes time frame को quickly discuss करते हैं. Now on the hourly chart, it's quite evident that Bank Nifty has broken below the 20 and the 40 EMA. And यहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलेगा that from these particular lows itself of about 48,500 approximately हमें Bank Nifty में एक support action देखने को मिला है. And from here, it's likely that Bank Nifty might as well attempt to revisit these EMA levels at the levels of 48,748 followed by 48,840. अब इन levels को हम immediate resistances की तरह consider कर सकते हैं and from the same levels if we do see any rejection coming in then we can expect that हमें यहाँ से downward move का एक continuation देखने को मिल सकता है to the mentioned level of 48,335 just like we discussed. Further, अगर हम यहाँ 15 minutes time frame की भी बात करें तो आपको देखने को मिलेगा just like we discussed that we saw support action coming in towards the end of the trading session and thereafter Bank Nifty attempted to move on the higher side. Now here, just like हमने discuss किया that there is a cluster of resistances on the way up, तो हम यहाँ पर on the positive side trades plan कर सकते हैं above the levels of 48,840, which would give a little more strength to Bank Nifty to move on the higher side. And further, just like we discussed, अगर हमें from the same levels rejection देखने को मिलता है तो once again Bank Nifty में एक downside momentum open up कर सकता है. Further, over here the levels of 48,450 approximately हम इन levels को consider कर सकते हैं just in case of a flat opening, let's say, and if Bank Nifty straight away breaks below this particular level itself, then also we can expect the continuation of a downward momentum in the index. Further testing the lower levels on the chart, just like we discussed, the level of 48,335 for starters, followed by the levels of 48,000 if it also cracks below the same. चलिए अब Bank Nifty के लिए crucial levels of support and resistance को discuss करते हैं. So the support for Bank Nifty is placed at 48,335, which is the make or break level for the index, followed by the level of 48,015. The resistance is placed at 48,748 to 48,840. Well, let's call it a day and I hope that आपको आज का ये video informative और अच्छा लगा हो. So make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Comment section में जरूर बताइएगा that आपको आज का ये video कैसा लगा. And on that note, it's Gurleen signing off. Until we meet again, have a good time.